Looking for a way to make math every student's favorite subject? Fantasy Sports Math League is a technology-based middle school math supplement that elegantly organizes exciting, real-time sports data in a fun way for students to improve math learning outcomes related to number operations and algebra, patterns and data analysis, visualization, and spatial reasoning to solve problems, making connections between math and the real world, and communicating math ideas. This innovative technology makes it uniquely possible for teachers to support students to learn math in a standards-based game. In Phase 2, Fantasy Sports Math League web game prototype that DFUSION developed in Phase 1 will be supercharged.
Fantasy Sports Math League includes a learning program where students practice math skills by managing and scoring their own fantasy football team in a competition with their classmates, as well as a teacher portal where educators can view the performance and progress of students and play along with their own fantasy football team.
In Fantasy Sports Math League, students draft their own team of real National Football League players by balancing a limited budget and strategic choices. As the NFL season progresses, students solve math equations to convert real-time box scores to fantasy points using number values and algebraic equations of varying difficulties, which are assigned by the teacher on a classroom or individual basis.
Students can upload and interpret graphs, view leaderboards, and earn MVP points for demonstrating their math skills in the game.
Students are able to practice complex decision-making, making data-informed choices, using algebraic equations, simplifying and converting fractions, and collaborating in project-based learning while connecting math to decision-making. Fantasy Sports Math League has shown promise to increase both girls' and boys' math confidence, decrease math anxiety, and increase their ability to successfully solve algebraic equations. Teachers say using Fantasy Sports Math League in their classes supports instruction and is easy to use. It is engaging and fun for their students and helps improve social dynamics between students in the classroom. Students enjoy learning and practicing math while having fun and playing. Based on feedback from teachers, additional reporting tools will be added to the Teachers Portal to make tracking students' progress easier. The library of lesson plans will include additional extension and review activities that are searchable and sortable by math skill and standards. Video tutorials of math concepts and step-by-step demonstrations of solving equations, analyzing data, and creating graphs will make FSML more accessible for independent learners and those needing more math support. The addition of math-based mini-games, expanded scoring levels, and interactive digital worksheets in the fantasy football interface will take students' math skills to the next level. Parents, school staff, and community will be invited to join Fantasy Sports Math Leagues and play alongside their young people, helping families support and connect through math class. When spring comes around, it's time for a new sport and deeper-level math skills. Fantasy Basketball Math League is a booster game played in March to reinforce previously learned math skills and to practice new skills like probability and projection. Students will rank college basketball teams, both men's and women's, in a weekly bracket to predict which team will win based on statistics and data analysis. With real-time data about each team imported into the site, students will practice making data-informed decisions. As a supplement to your existing math curriculum or supportive activity in an after-school program or club, Fantasy Sports Math League makes building math competence and confidence fun and relevant. DFUSION appreciates your support as we seek funding for the second phase of development for Fantasy Sports Math League. Learn more at our website, dfusioninc.com.